Every day by day, we are handled by the different tactics of political complications because these complications are because of wrong disordered based economical agendas, and such disorder economical based agendas are connected with non applicable steps on Marxism theory because Marxism is a solution of any industrial system. Without Marxism industrial theory and socialism industrial theory, social policy of industrial step, we could not regulate any business, any business, any industrial environment, or any sort of big task performer. Because Marxism has shown various sort of solutions in every sort of field, in every sort of subject. Marxism since 1935 to 1945, 1935 to 1945, he regularly has written a various solutions of political, economical, and social solutions for labor and its maintenance. Its powerful and big solution of their life has shown every conclusion of living is how you live on earth, how you live in between materialist list of words, how you can spend more time in between materials and non-material list, what is difference in between material and non-material objects. We are nothing, something except materialist world. We should believe, we should believe in materialist world because it is our economy. Except it, we could not do something in the world. International relations, balance of power, decisional making theories, these three things. Except international relations is nothing something except such things, except such topics as industrial production monopoly is nothing something except Marxism. It's all about the real truth about the Marxism, real concept of Marxism, real views and opinions of Marxism. Without Marxism, we could not regulate law and order of economy at any time of life in the world. Thank you.